Have you ever wondered, why do people say that making the first million is the hardest? This isn't just a saying without reason. To reach that first million, you must face some of the greatest challenges and obstacles in your financial journey. It all begins with breaking free from your own inertia. Imagine your life as a rocket. To escape Earth's gravity and reach orbit, it must burn nearly all its fuel just to get started. But once it reaches the necessary altitude, it only needs a small amount of fuel to keep going. Making that first million is the same. It's the journey of breaking free from the ground and launching yourself into a new altitude of success. Breaking through your own inertia. Inertia is the tendency for objects to remain in their initial state, and in your journey, it's the bad habits, fear of failure, and procrastination. These things keep you stuck, holding you back from going further. If you want to be wealthy, you must overcome this inertia, break free from negative habits, and build new, positive ones. This isn't easy. Breaking through inertia requires a lot of determination and effort. Take Jeff Bezos as a prime example. Leaving a stable job on Wall Street, he took a risk to start a business in a small garage. From a simple online bookstore, Amazon grew to become one of the world's largest tech companies. To achieve that, he had to break down all the limits and inertia within his thinking, focusing entirely on his goals. This is what you must do if you want to reach millionaire altitude. Focusing entirely on the main goal. Once you've overcome inertia, the next step is to learn to focus. If you only look at successful people like Elon Musk or Bill Gates now, you might think their lives are full of glamour and luxury. But in reality, in their early years, they had to give up a lot to focus completely on their work and goals. Most people don't know the sacrifices they made to reach where they are now, working through the night, skipping parties, and letting go of personal hobbies. If you want to reach your first million, you need to have a similar level of focus. Try taking a look at your own life. You may have many interests or weekly recreational habits. However, if you're serious about your financial goals, you need to temporarily let go of unnecessary pleasures and focus all your energy. This sacrifice isn't permanent, but during this phase, it's essential to overcome the initial challenges. Eliminating distractions. To be a winner in the race to $1 million, you must eliminate anything that can distract you. Small things like endlessly scrolling through social media or watching TV shows can silently drain your time and energy. Ask yourself, do you really need to spend hours on entertainment apps or engage in activities that don't contribute to your goal? Learn from top athletes like Cristiano Ronaldo or Serena Williams. During the season, they focus entirely on their careers, rejecting anything unrelated to their goals. To build wealth, you also need this level of focus. Now is the time to give up temporary pleasures to aim for long-term success. Setting specific and realistic goals. One common mistake people make is setting overly large, unrealistic goals without any foundation. When you're just starting, no one can make millions right away. Start with smaller, achievable goals that match your current capacity. Realistic goals will help you build confidence and the motivation to keep moving forward. For example, if you're starting a new business, set a goal of reaching $10,000 in revenue in the first few months instead of dreaming of millions. Success doesn't come from one big goal, but from a series of small goals achieved each day. These goals will help you take one step at a time on the long journey to financial success. Implementing monk mode, state of ultra focus. If you're serious about achieving your first million, consider implementing monk mode, a period of complete focus over a set amount of time. In this mode, you remove all distractions and focus only on one goal. This helps you achieve maximum productivity, as you won't be pulled away by external factors. Choose a time frame, like 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months, and experiment. During this time, pause personal hobbies, limit unnecessary meetups, and focus only on work, financial goals, and self-improvement. This is a way to save time, energy, and increase work efficiency to the fullest. Building healthy habits and maintaining discipline. Many people think that just working non-stop is enough for success. But to achieve sustainable achievements, you need to build healthy habits. Success doesn't only come from effort, but also from maintaining discipline over the long haul. Start by establishing a healthy lifestyle. Don't skip sleep, eat well, and exercise regularly. These things not only help you maintain your energy, but also keep your mind sharp and ready to face challenges. Good habits are the foundation for overcoming inertia and getting closer to your goal. Setting a long-term plan and embracing challenges. There's no easy road to success, and achieving the first million is no exception. Don't expect to achieve it quickly or effortlessly. Accept that you'll face difficulties and sometimes feel like giving up. A prime example is J.K. Rowling, the author of the famous Harry Potter series. Before succeeding, she faced many rejections from publishers, but she didn't give up. Rowling overcame all obstacles to ultimately achieve overwhelming success. Staying persistent to the end. Finally, and most importantly, stay persistent to the end. There will be tough times, but if you quit, you'll never know what you're truly capable of. Remember that successful people aren't necessarily the smartest, but they're the ones who never give up. Keep faith in yourself and your goals. The road to the first million is full of challenges, but if you're persistent, you'll certainly reap the rewards you deserve. Inspiring conclusion. The journey to become wealthy, free, and achieve your first million may be full of challenges and may sometimes leave you feeling lost. But remember, each step you take is building the future you've always dreamed of. Every decision to abandon distractions, every no you say to things that don't serve your goals, is a building block to the rich, successful life you crave. You're not just changing your finances, you're transforming the way you live, think, and face obstacles. Believe in your journey. Success isn't just a destination, but the entire process. Every day, every small effort gradually brings you closer to your dreams. Don't let rejection or temporary failures make you falter. Instead, look at the success of those who have gone before you and remind yourself that if they can do it, so can you. This is just one of many videos I want to share with you on the journey to financial freedom and a successful life. If you found this content helpful and want to keep receiving the motivation, inspiration, and knowledge to move forward, subscribe to the channel now. I'll be here, ready to support you on this journey. There are many more great videos waiting for you, videos that will not only help you understand yourself, but will also guide you step by step toward wealth, freedom, and happiness. Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss any content. Now is the time to take control and create the life you deserve.